My people, big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. Manners and respect. I'm there here again, you see. Yeah, you know, me have some loyal viewers and subscribers, you know. And I'm going to present a video to you that has been brought to my attention by someone, alright? Now, I'm going to present a video to you that has been recorded in Jamaica. I do not know when the video has been recorded. The video shows some things that happened during a confrontation between police and the citizens from within the country of Jamaica. The video shows police officers from within the country of Jamaica, and the video also shows civilians from within the country of Jamaica. Now, based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that at least one person had been arrested or detained by the police. And the video shows a motorcycle that had been placed in the back of a police service motor vehicle. Now, a part of the video shows how a police officer lost his balance, viewers and subscribers, and based on some things that you're about to see in this video, I would like you to tell me who you think might be wrong when it comes down to how the police officer lost his balance. You see what I say? Police also had been accused of hitting someone, and I take a look at the entire video and tell me what you think, because this video is being talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you. And I want you to please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
When I piece up man in my face, so if I charge man, I want to take this thing back. When they are saying what I want, when they are saying what I want, you can't deal with the man, so I want to take things, so I want to take things, so you can't deal with the man, so when they are saying what I want, they're on the phone. Who's the phone? Because you can't deal with the man, so put him on the IG, shut him out, man. That woman is a wicked woman.
Remember, so now family too, and now picnic too.
Put him on the Jeep and steal the man.
You're so wicked.
And my one, I hear one, I use the whole and I fist this up on my face. Catch everything for the camera, dog. Catch everything for the camera. The camera there, catch everything for it. Catch everything for it. Catch everything for the camera. Fool, catch it. I have find out 16 for the man. How you take things, sir?
Charge what?
You don't know what to do in the world. You don't know what to do in the world.
And come with the requirements. Come at the station. Come with whatsoever. Yeah, me see, but he's charged, me. He's charged. Okay. No.
Everything they want to see it on the media, that's everything they want to see it on the media.
You come at the station. No, me not understand. Me not understand.
Yo! Hey, kick him out, brother! Catch everything! Catch everything! Catch everything! Catch everything for the camera, bad man! Big man, you know what I want? Talky man, this guy know it. Talky man, brother. You know what? Talky man, brother. We not do nothing else right. Nothing else right. We not do. I saw police do their work. I pay for police to go away. I saw police work, bad man. We know it now. We know it now.
him. You see, say you kick him. I'm gonna kick him.
Jaga, don't kill him, Jaga. Yeah, the team go on video. Killing man mean nothing to me. Yeah, everything for this phone. I'm killing me from time.
Get everything back, man. You kill me, brother. You don't understand.
Step away from the vehicle family.
Someone step away from the vehicle family.
I mean, I don't know how I'm going to pull the door and somebody pull the door and I try to pull away. Step away.
Step away. Step away. Step away. I'm not too hard and this need to stop. You need to stop.
It's a work, police are working.
Somebody put on the back. Know yourself. You get your yard. I just said no, I said go. Somebody bring me put on the back. I mean, I'm guys. I don't care. I will that. That's not nothing, man. And then not even him aggressive, me no handcuff to get tight for you. I'm gonna look at the handcuff. No, me know say he handcuff.
Jagan, go on, he can't put on me, he already have vehicle. Go on, that's you want to put in a vehicle. Go on. I'm not too hard, the vehicle, stop a nice, vehicle, man, I go past the check, I'm not the
I hope you have one video when them pull the vehicle and I try to
we have when you're kicking down a ground door.
My people, me see wrongs from all different angles in that video there. Me see wrongs from yes or this or this or all different angles in the video. Me I tell you, my people, see? Yeah, let me point out this before me say certain things. See? A police service motor vehicle that you can see in the video have a Clarendon DIV mark on it. Yeah. So me just point out that to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, listen to what me I say, see? Now, when I wrong them, what me say is the way how me say a policeman, you know, hold a gun. Yes, so me I say the way the police lift up the gun. I remember now, no, you have persons there. At least one person was standing clearly in front of the policeman, you know. So me I say, I'm going to point out some more things to you, my viewers and subscribers, because I don't have any confirmed information as to why a person had been arrested or detained by the police. See? So I'm going to point out some things and you can let me know what you think, alright? Now, I got the understanding from the video that police had been accused of hitting or kicking a person. And when it comes on to the part of the video that shows when a police officer somehow fell to the ground, it seems like someone opened one of the doors of the police service motor vehicle that I can see in the video. And a police officer moved towards that person, or the police approached that person in a certain way, viewers and subscribers. I mean, somehow it seems as if one of the police officers' feet lift from off of the ground. And then certain things happen, you know? You know what? There's not much we can say about the situation that I can see in the video because I don't have any confirmed information as to why a person had been arrested or detained by the police and or what triggered the confrontation between police and persons who you can see and hear in that video, viewers and subscribers. I really and truly hope that the situation could have handled better. You see me? I wish that the whole situation could have been dealt with better, I should say. You see me? I say, but it is what it is. You see me? I say, yeah, it is what it is. No, I am a law-abiding citizen and I respect the rules and the laws of my country, and I encourage each and every one to do their best not to get in trouble with the law. You see me? I say, my people. And just as how I saw the video on social media, I presented the video to you. Just as how I see it on social media. See? Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.